काँग्रेस पक्ष घटमूट करपाच्या हेतान पक्षान आनीक जिल्लोअध्यक्ष नेमपाचो निर्णय घेतला। कुशावती जिल्ल्या खातीर जिल्लोअध्यक्ष नेमतले। हाका लागून दक्षिण गोंयच्या जिल्लोअध्यक्षावेलो भार कमी जातलो। कुशावती जिल्ह्यात 8 मतदारसंघांचो आस्पाव आसतलो। आपूण 8 मतदारसंघातले कार्यकर्त्याकडेन स्वतंत्रपणान संवाद साधतलो अशें अखिल भारतीय काँग्रेस समितीचे कुशावती जिल्ल्या खातीरचे निरीक्षक विजय इंदर सिंगला हांणी सांगले।
New BCC presidents to be appointed in each district of every state was started, and today, in continuation to that, there are 4 observers, AICC observers, who have been assigned 1 district each in the state of Goa to look at new people to be the part of the organization, open doors for different castes of people to become BCC presidents and take over the organization, to build the organization. There will be a lot of powers which will be given to the new BCC presidents. And when I say a lot of powers will be given to new BCC presidents, there will be a lot of accountability also. South Goa district earlier used to have 20 assembly segments. And if you look at anybody who was DCC president here for 20 assembly segments, sometimes it becomes difficult to run the organization. Sometimes it becomes difficult for a person to run 20 assembly segments. So that's why the party leadership, on the recommendation of the state leadership, decided to divide the South district into 2. One is Kushawati and one is South. And now Kushawati will be having 8 assembly segments to its city. And in these 8 assembly segments, I will be visiting all the 8 assembly segments, meeting with all the elected office bearers, social organizations, party cadre people, Congress party workers, so that more hardworking, more people who are loyal to our party without criminal backgrounds. Maybe some people get criminal records because of their agitations against the governments. Obviously, we have to keep that on the side. But all the people who have any criminal background by doing criminal activities, they will not be considered to be a part of the organization. Who intend to become a part of this process, or who intend to become a part of the party organization through this process, I am trying to convey through you that they can simply fill up the form, download the form, take a printout of the form, fill up that form and come and meet me during any of my interaction, or even they can send their form on email to me and I can get connected with them.